humble greetings to all those who are watching this important educational video, especially those who are involved and are interested in teaching and learning of pure mathematics globally. My name is Levi R. Mataboge, the director of this company, LR Mataboge Mathematics Basic Formula, Bureau of Standard, publisher and bookseller, Pty Ltd. Enterprise number K2015241474. The subject of this information is education, pure mathematics. Mathematics formulae are incomplete, standing at 75% since the year 1637 to date, as they appear in the system internet, and only 62.5% from that 75% is quality guaranteed, while 12.5% is not quality guaranteed. In the above company, this company, I checked the quality of existing mathematics basic formulae direct from the system, that is internet. And I also invented the missing new mathematics basic formulae at 37.5%. NB. Note where the following information about mathematics is a fact and not an opinion. When I checked the quality of the existing mathematics basic formulae, I noticed that since the year 1637 to date, only 75% of the actual required mathematics basic formula were invented and implemented according to the system, that is internet. But 12.5% of the 75% invented and implemented mathematics basic formula is not quality guaranteed, meaning that currently in mathematics system, that is internet, only 62.5% of existing mathematics basic formulae in the system, that is internet, are quality guaranteed. That means globally, a mathematics learner who obtains 100% marks in mathematics subject in grade 12 or tertiary level final examination and can apply only 62.5% of the actual required standard mathematics basic formulae. And for more information about percentages, this 75%, 62.5%, 12.5%, and 37.5% mentioned above, you may contact Levi Mataboge, that is the author of the book, of these three books, the author of these three books containing new ideas. That is 37.5% I'm talking about here when I said the missing new mathematics basic formulae. That is 37%. They are all in here, in these three books. This one was published in 2010, and the other one in 2014. This one in 2014, and this one in 2015. So I'm the author of these books. I'm the director of the company, as I just mentioned. The email address is lrmataboge, easycenter@gmail.com. Cell number 072250309. And the other message that I want to send that comes from our company, the other message, and all professional mathematicians who graduated since 1637 to date believe in the following reduction formulae. Sin 90 degrees plus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 degrees plus theta is equals to minus sin theta. Internet also confirms that in second quadrant, mathematicians understand when I say in second quadrant, sin 90 degrees plus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 degrees plus theta is equals to minus sin theta, are still in the system currently. But the bad news is that from today, that is the 6th January 2016, you professional mathematicians, all those people who went to school to study mathematics, professional mathematicians, must know that the so-called reduction formulae, that is sin 90 degrees plus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 degrees plus theta is equals to minus cos theta, was reduced to zero and became null and void, that is non-existent, in pure mathematics, when they failed simple quality guaranteeing test as shown on page 1 to 4 of the book, of this book, L. Armatawoge Asfarul application, volume 1, yeah, page 1 to 4 of the book L. Armatawoge's Asfarul application, and the ISBN, that is this book, 978-0-620-50105-7, volume 1, published 2014, and available only in National Library of South Africa in Pretoria and Cape Town for information purposes. In other words, you don't buy it, you just go there and get the information. Yeah. And note well, Asfarul books are not for sale currently. Asfarul books are currently not for sale. That means in standard pure mathematics, we don't have the so-called reduction formulae of this form. Sin 90 degrees plus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 degrees plus theta is equals to minus sin theta. We don't have this kind of reduction formulae in pure mathematics. With this was, as I indicated first, that when I checked the quality of the existing mathematics basic formula, I noticed that since the year 1637 to date, only 75% of the actual required mathematics basic formula were invented and implemented according to the system. These terms, actual required mathematics and all this, 75% of the existing when I check the existing mathematics basic formula, are going to be explained here, because it is unfair to talk about things that people cannot even know, have never seen, cannot even know, because in mathematics we believe in demonstrating. So here I've got the key symbols. Key symbols are as follows, because these key symbols are going to help us about what we have just talked about here. When I talked about 12.5% is not quality guaranteed, what do I mean about that? And then when I say it's only 37.5%, the new mathematics basic formula, 37.5%, which is only found in these books, which are only found in available in National Library of South Africa in Pretoria and Cape Town. These are the key symbols. The key symbols are as follows. When I talk about AR, I mean actual required standard mathematics basic formulae. That is 100%. Not in use, which is currently not in use globally, but needed in pure mathematics. In other words, this AR is going to, I'm going to use it somewhere as we go down there, but you must understand when I say AR, because I'm not going to repeat this thing. I'm not going to repeat the whole statement, because in mathematics we deal with formulae. So I'm going to form a certain formula that is general. That is, AR is the actual required standard mathematics basic formulae, 100% not in use globally, but needed in pure mathematics. And then 2 is EI, which stands for existing incomplete standard mathematics basic formulae. Existing incomplete standard mathematics basic formulae. This is what is currently used worldwide, globally. Yeah. So numerically it is 5/8 of the AR, or 5/8 of AR. That is of this AR. It is ratio 5/8, meaning that it is not 8/8, it is 5/8, which is equals to 5/8 of AR equals to 62.5%. That I was talking about there, 62.5%. This one, this 62.5% I was talking about, meaning that the currently in mathematics system internet, only 62.5% of existing mathematics basic formulae in the system internet are quality guaranteed. These are the only 62.5%, the only basic formulae that we have currently since 1637. So this is what I mean about EI is the existing incomplete standard mathematics basic formulae, 5/8 of AR equals to 62.5%. And 62.5% really is not a quality. When you talk about the quality, we're talking about the 100%. So if we say, that is why I said, when I go back again, because you must understand. I must make you understand. When I say existing incomplete standard mathematics basic formula, numerically or in a ratio is 5/8 of AR, that is of this 100%, equals to 62.5. I mean, currently we have this 62.5% of the existing mathematics basic formula in the system internet, which are quality guaranteed. That is why here I said that means globally a mathematics learner who obtains 100% marks in mathematics subject in grade 12 or tertiary level final examination knows and can only apply 62.5% of the actually required standard mathematics basic formula. Yeah, that is exactly what I mean about EI, because it is unfair if you can't tell if you tell the people things that they don't even know you are talking about. It's very much unfair. So here we are solving a problem of mathematics. So 3, it is MN. MN is equals to missing new standard mathematics, basic formulae. That is ratio 3/8 of AR, which is equals to 37.5%. 3/8, that is the ratio numerically of AR equals to 37.5%. Not in use globally, but available only in my Asparol books. That is, this 37.5% is only in these books, which are not recognized at all. This 3/8. which is equal to 37.5%, is not in use globally, available only in my Aswarul books, that is these books. Yeah. This implies that mathematicians will understand when I say this implies that the ratio 3/8 multiplied by 100%, that is the AR, 100%, equals to 37.5, meaning that in these books, in my books here, and in this company, in my books, in this company, currently we have 37.5% of the existing of AR, of the existing required standard mathematics basic formulae. This in these books only. They are in these books only. Which implies that is 3/8 times 100% equals 37.5%. And now, after this was just the key notes. I just wanted you to understand these key notes because it is important, because we must talk about things that can be seen. So here we are going to talk about the amalgamation, because if we want to get things right in mathematics, we must have